MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The hair in today's video was sent to me by a company called WoWigs hair, and I will be doing a quick unboxing for you guys so that you guys can see exactly how this hair comes. Now, in the box was a satin bag, a thank you card about their sales, and also a pamphlet on other hairs that they do carry and hair care tips on how to care for the wig. Now, inside the satin bag was the wig, of course, a headband, and an edge brush that you guys can use when styling your hair. Now, this wig that was sent to me is an 18-inch kinky curly U-part wig, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to convert your U-part wigs into a headband wig. And I specifically wanted to use this U-part wig to do that because this kinky curly hair does not blend in with my hair. So for me to leave my hair out with this wig, it will not work out. So we're just gonna go ahead and convert it into a headband wig. Now, the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, and I'm going to use this to smooth out my edges and create some baby hairs in the front section of my head. And like I rave about this product in all of my videos, this product is my absolute favorite product to use on my edges. My edges stay in place literally all day long. I do not have any issues with this product. It does not flake up on me. It does everything that I need it to do. Also, one big thing that really matters to me is that this product does not make my edges hard, and it's very easy to work with on my edges. So I will continue to rave about this product because it does everything it needs to do when it comes to my edges. Now, I already went ahead and applied a wig cap to my head, and this will just allow my hair to stay nice and flat underneath the wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig to my head just so I can see how it's fitting on my head. And I am going to go ahead and insert the combs on the sides and in the back just to secure the wig onto my head. I am not going to use those clip-in combs at the top section around the U-part. I'm only going to secure the wig combs on the side and in the back of my head. Now, once I have the wig sitting exactly where I want it to be, I am going to go in with my spray bottle filled with only water, and I'm going to go ahead and wet this hair down just to define the curls and get rid of some of that frizz. And doing this also elongates the hair as well. Now, I do not like to use a lot of hair products on any of my hairs, straight, curly, wavy, whatever hair it is. I like to only go in with water. The most that I will do is maybe add some mousse to my hair, but even that is just too much product for me. I just feel like water does everything it needs to do, and water is literally the only thing I like to use when styling any of my hairs. Now, all I'm going to do is just continue to drench this hair in water. As you guys can see, this is what one side is looking like, completely wet and elongated by just adding water. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the next side of the wig. And I'm also going to go ahead and wet the back section of the wig as well. Now, although the kinky curly texture of this wig does not match with my hair, I absolutely love the curls on this wig. If this wig was a 4x4 closure wig or even a lace frontal wig, just by the fullness and how this wig is looking once I wet it, this hair would be absolutely gorgeous in that way. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my slow-mo of the wig so that you guys can see the movement, texture, and how beautiful the curls are on this wig. all poppin', it's time to go ahead and conceal the top section of the wig. Now all I am doing is parting off a very small section of the hair around the U part section of the wig. Now you do not want to use too much hair. You can use more hair if you want, you know, the bun, because I am going to be creating a bun at the top, if you want the bun to be a lot fuller. But I am only using a very little bit of the hair because I want you guys to keep in mind that once this hair dries, it will get bigger and it will look a lot fuller. So using a little bit hair for the bun is absolutely fine. Now once I got the hair section off that I like in the front, I am gonna go in with a hair tie and create a ponytail in the top. Now once I create the ponytail, I am going to wrap the ends around the base of the ponytail holder, and I am going to go in with bobby pins and I'm going to pin down the edges of the bun, and I'm going to use those pins and the bun itself to camouflage the open section of the wig. Now I'm not sure if you guys got that or understood me as I was saying it, but if you guys watch the video, you guys will see exactly how I was able to get this done. And as you guys can see, that bun is concealing the top section of this wig very well. Now all I'm going to do is go ahead and apply the headband that came along with the wig, and as you guys can see, once I apply the headband, this wig is officially a cute kinky curly headband wig. And this was so quick, simple and easy to do. You can also style this wig up if you guys want to as well, but once these curls dry, this hair will get nice and big and voluminous, just like how I like it. I am gonna go ahead and try on one more headband so that you guys can see how that looks as well, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to transform a kinky curly U-part wig into a headband wig. Now, this wig was sent to me by a company called WoWigs. The kinky curly texture of this wig is absolutely beautiful. I will go ahead and leave the link to this wig in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check them out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!